So that's how to block a YouTube channel. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. First you will need to go to your account, and then here you have to scroll to the channel that you want to block, and then click on the three dots and then click on the not interested option. Once you click on it, now you will not be able to see the videos like this in future. And if you don't want to see a channel on YouTube, what you have to do is you have to go to the channel and then click on the three dots again. Once you click on the three dots, now from this menu you have to click on the don't recommend channel, and in the future you will not be able to see the videos from this channel, and even you can't be able to see this channel. And if you want that a particular channel shouldn't do comments on your channel, then what you have to do is you have to go to the channel and then click on the three dots at the top right corner, and once you click on it, now from this menu hide user from my channel option at the top, and once you click on it, now this user will not be able to do comments on your channel. So this was how you can block a YouTube channel.